Hello, and welcome to the Fact Today show. I'm your host, Mr. Toes, and today's fact about bread. It smells amazing. Did you know that grinding stones have been found from 30,000 years ago? But the oldest bread fossils found to date place actual bread at 14,000 years ago in Jordan. It was a flatbread, something similar to chapatis from India or tortillas from Mexico. A flat wrap essentially, but still considered to be the earliest known bread.
Those were the days, Sonny.
Hello, great Uncle Flat Wrap. What brings you to town?
Hey.
I said, what brings you to town, great Uncle Flat Wrap?
No, I didn't bring any pie with me. Why would I?
No. I said, what brings you to town?
Your Aunt Biscuit. She's with her friends Raspberry and Strawberry Jam.
Well, that's good to hear. Hey, Uncle, I'll take you out to lunch after the episode. If you can just wait over there.
Oh, that sounds great. I love our little chats. Just, let me know when you're done.
Okay. Well, I guess I'll wrap up the show.
Oh, I see what you did there. Never heard that before.
Thanks, Uncle. Well, please like and subscribe. If you'd like, consider our Patreon. It could help me actually take Uncle here after lunch.
Oh, that would be just lovely.
Okay, Uncle, let's go. Can you tell me more about the grinding reel?
Oh, well, sure. You see, it was a big stone that would rotate and crush the grains, and then